When you run out of ink ribbon, you'll be left with a full roll of used ribbon on the top and a empty roll on the bottom. So let's go ahead and remove both of these rolls. There's a spring on these sides, so you just press the rolls toward the spring and then pop out the pin on the right. So this pin comes right out. The left side has this square peg. And then we can pop this roll out as well. And what we'll do is we'll just remove this plastic leader, and you can just take this roll and put it up top. That's your new dispense core. And then we'll take the plastic ribbon spindle out of the used ribbon. Put that to the side. We can just throw this all away. And then here's the new ink ribbon. It'll come with a dispense core. We ship those with every ribbon just in case. You can use this one or you can use this one, your preference. And what we'll do is, this has some adhesive. Just undo the leader, and then we'll take the ribbon spindle and pop it in, and then we're going to take this square peg and set it there. Make sure the ribbon isn't touching this at all. And then we'll just simply, this leader has some adhesive on it, just simply wrap it around and attach the blue leader to the dispense core like that. And then you can kind of hold it in place with your thumb, and you can use this gear or this gear to wind it up. I like to use the white one right here. And so it's just as simple as wind and hold. Until you get to the black section. And then you're all done. You can just close the lid here, and then make sure just one label's sticking out the front. And then you can use this button to close that lid and lock it down in place.